Let's grow your brain with a brand new word adventure. Right here on Word Up with Sophia. Today's word is realization. Can you say it out loud? Realization. Let's go. Let's spell it together. Ready? R-E-A-L-I-Z-A-T-I-O-N. That spells realization. Great job. Realization means the act of becoming fully aware of something. Let's break that down. It's all about understanding what that really means in real life. Here are some words that mean the same as realization. Say it with me. Awareness. Recognition. Understanding. Epiphany. Insight. Acknowledgement. Comprehension. Wow, these are hard words. Pause here and review the synonyms. Each one adds more meaning to your vocabulary. You got this. Now let's look at the opposites of realization. Denial. Confusion. Ignorance. Misunderstanding. Disbelief. Oblivion. Pause here and review the antonyms, so you know what is the opposite of realization. Here's a great example. Sofia had a realization that being kind makes her feel happy too. Let's review. Realization means the act of becoming fully aware of something. Synonyms. Awareness. Recognition. Understanding. Epiphany. Insight. Acknowledgement. Comprehension. Antonyms. Denial. Confusion. Ignorance. Misunderstanding. Disbelief. Oblivion. Keep using the word realization and make it part of your everyday talk. That aha moment is when the magic happens. Your challenge: write the word realization once with your left hand and once with your right. Words like realization help you express big ideas, and you're doing amazing. You're doing incredible things, and another word is coming your way tomorrow.